to the area, especially our northern counties, and we're starting to see some development in deep East Texas as well. And some of these storms are fairly intense down that way. I haven't seen a lot of messaging on that, but we will continue to monitor these storms as they move off to the north and to the northeast. But you can see in Angelina and Trinity counties there, some pretty significant rain is falling, but I don't think these are surface-based necessarily, but they are producing some very heavy rainfall, lots of lightning, and I'm sure some gusty winds as well. But as we look off to the north and to the northwest, most of you in Tyler and Longview are probably seeing some rain right now, so it will be a damp drive home, but hopefully we get a little more rain than what we have seen so far. And there are some signs that off to the north and off to the west, that is where we're seeing some heavier showers. But really where we have cashed in today has been Harrison and eastern Panola County. We've seen some pretty good rain that way. Now temperatures are in the upper 60s and lower 70s for most of the area. We still have some 80s where it hasn't rained yet. Lufkin's temperature has dropped because of the rain we have in southern Angelina County. So a good amount of rain has already fallen for areas to the north of Interstate 20. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s, so that moisture continues to increase from south to north. And as we look at satellite and radar, there's your front. We continue to monitor a few thunderstorms along to the north of Interstate 20. We also have a complex of storms that has taken shape to the north of the Rio Grande along Interstate 10 out in West Texas. This is all being driven by this front that continues to move off to the south and to the southeast. And as we look at Futurecast, this complex of storms, it is expected to move off to the east by midnight tonight, and then we get a nice little reprieve from the rain. And based on what we're seeing in most of the model data, I think tomorrow our rain chances, they're going to be relatively slim. We'll see mostly cloudy skies through 5 o'clock, and then we could very well see a few bubble-up showers and thunderstorms at about 7 o'clock Thursday. And then as we go towards your Thursday afternoon and evening, most of that rain will move off to the north and to the northeast. How much rain are we talking about? Well, we could see anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches of rain, depending on where in East Texas you're at. I do think this is a pretty progressive number here with rainfall over the next 7 days, but we need to see something like this to catch up for the year, and this would be very beneficial if it did happen over the next 7 days because we are really hurting for the rain. So rain chances will continue into next week, and those high temperatures, they are forecasted to remain in the 80s next week as well as we look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. And as we look at the next 7 days, we will continue with those decent rain chances through at least next Tuesday. Memorial Day weekend, it does look wet with rain chances Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Low temperatures will be in the 60s, and as we look at deep East Texas, we're following the same trend. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms over the next 7 days with highs in the low to middle 80s. Casey.
All right.